Watch the beautiful process of making this sweet and soft moi moi. So guys, welcome back to my space. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned, watch and comment your thoughts on this beautiful process. I made this moi moi out of no plan for it, but I saw an expression. I said let me do this again because it has been long I cooked moi moi for my family. So I noticed I have one bean somewhere. I soaked it. If you want to smash your beans for easy way, just use your mortar to smash it, or you can use your blender. So after smashing it, I washed it. You can see I added a lot of fish, pepper and onion. So after blending, you can see the color just because of the fish I added. That is why it is somehow dark. Before then, I boiled egg because I'll be adding egg into my moi moi. This is me adding my salt. I'll be using red oil. It has been very long I use red oil in my moi moi. I do use groundnut oil, right? So after, I have to use water to melt my cubes because I don't want it to be strong inside the moi moi. After that, I have to test it and see if it's good to go. At this point, my moi moi is good to go. It's time for me to start tying it. I'll be using nylon. Remember to double your nylon whenever you want to use nylon for your moi moi because it's very easy for it to burst. I don't know how to use all those leaf or just the leaf. I don't know how to use the leaf, but I don't have all those moi moi cup. That's why I use nylon whenever I want to make my moi moi. So this is just the tying process. You will see how I tie my own. After putting in your moi moi, you add the egg, the boiled egg to it. So this is how I tie my moi moi. You see, you bring in the two nylon together and tie it. This will help to hold it. So this is my first tying. This thing. So I continue to tie and tie. After that, I tie my second one. I have to cut it off because I don't want to waste much of your time. After tying this one, I will show you the amount of moi moi I made with this little beans. So beans is among those food that help in like it swell up and it will reach your family the way you want. So after everything, this is what I got. It's about 9 or 10 pieces of moi moi for my family. So this is the cooking process. You have to boil your water. Let your water be boiling. So just add in your moi moi. It will start from there to cook. Thank you for watching this amazing video. This is everything I got. This, see that? So soft and yummy. You can see the color of my red oil. It came out so nice. Thank you for watching. Please share this video.